happy.
It's like a transformation. My name is Beverly Smith and I'm here today to have some tags removed from under my eyes, the side of my eyes and from my neck.
If at any point you want me to stop, you're in control the whole time, so we can stop. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
The tags started growing a few years ago and they're becoming more and more. And I'd really like to have a face without any black marks and necks without any black marks so that I could have as clear as flawless skin as possible. So that's why I'm here today, because Pulse Light said that that's something that they could do for me.
So today we are removing DMPs. What these are is just excessive pigmentated bits of tissue. So all we do, we use electricity to generate heat, and all we do is just scrape away the excessive pigmented lesion. Then we just wipe it away. Now we've got an open lesion, so what we do now, we just seal it up just by gently tapping the area. And that's now sealed up away from bacteria. On a scale of 1 to 10, how painful would you say it was?
10, 11.
Oh, pain-wise?
Oh, pain! Oh, no.
No.
Pain-wise, 1 to 10. I wouldn't even call it pain. I would say 1. The treatment is absolutely brilliant because I can see that there are no black, dark, hanging spots on my face, on my neck. It's given me a clearer complexion, and so I'm really super pleased, super pleased. First of all, I was made comfortable and told where to lie down, and then the clinician explained to me that the process, what happens to get the tags removed, and it's an electrical impulse, and then afterwards it was explained to me how I should look after my tags. It's just been a really quick, easy, fantastic treatment.
That's perfect.
Oh my God. Oh, I'm so pleased.